Hello, friends. My name is Milind Dige, and today we are starting our very first show of Mind Parachute. Mind Parachute means when parachute is open, then only it is useful. Similarly, when mind is open, then only it is useful. Otherwise, there is no use of having this mind. And on this show, I'm trying to get very well-known personalities who have been doing extraordinary work in their work as well as in their personal life, social, personal, professional, everywhere they are extraordinary. So today we have with us Dr. Narayan. Dr. Narayan does not require any introduction. His work is speaking aloud about him, and he's doctor, not medical doctor, but he is doctor on human relationship, and he's CEO and national coordinator of Indian Development Foundation, which is NGO acting in India as well as offshore. IDF has got offices in UK and even operational in US and other places. So let's listen from Dr. Narayan about our responsibility, social responsibility, and let's interact with Dr. Narayan. Dr. Narayan, welcome on the show Mind Parachute. So we are
Thanks.
going to open our parachute today on our individual social responsibilities. So
Yeah.
before we go and talk about social responsibility, I would like to ask you how you got this doctorate. In
Oh
which
my God.
subject basically you got doctorate?
Thank you so much, Milinji, for inviting me to this Mind Parachute program. Yes, the as parachute works when it opens. Similarly, the
Yes.
mind works. So mind also works when it is open. So we need to keep our mind, our heart open all the time so that we can do wonders. The world
True.
is a beautiful place to live. The world is a better, beautiful place to be made. We are all a kind of a beautiful ecosystem where we should all come together and work. Yes, the journey has been so good, and today I am in the first show of Mind Parachute. Is going to be a great blessing and a boon, where a lot of many friends from your connects will join hands. As you talked about the doctoral program, yes, I am not into the medical profession, but of course I crisscross a lot of medical doctors. Uh, I have understood and I have seen a lot of programs being with the people. And if you look into my doctoral program, it has been village development program,
Okay.
providing urban amenities in rural areas. That has been
Urban
my
amenities in rural areas.
rural
Wow.
areas. Pura
Very nice.
provide, yeah. So that is Dr. Kalam's one such program was there called Pura. So I picked up
Okay.
that, yeah, and visited few villages in Maharashtra, few villages in Rajasthan, Karnataka, and then took it up. And the findings were so that education system played a very important role. So the birth of Bal Gurukul, which we have started, came up with
Mhm.
my doctoral program. So the finding was
Oh.
that if you provide a Bal Gurukul education system, it will do work wonders. So the journey
Mhm.
with one Bal Gurukul in Rajasthan that we started in Langadiyavas, Nonpura villages, close to Jaipur. Today we have
Wow.
touched upon 1 lakh students. Uh,
Oh, wow.
yeah, and 250 Balagurukuls from JK to KK, that is Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari,
JK
and
to KK, Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Wow.
Kanyakumari and Gujarat to
Super.
Assam. Yeah, so this
Gujarat
has
to
been
Assam.
it has been a wonderful journey all through, and many people are joining hands.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Great, great. So that's how you got doctorate, and I'm sure you IDF Indian Development Foundation is serving nation, serving humanity since almost 35, 40 odd years, right, sir?
Yeah, it's 36 years as an organization structured, and our founder
Okay.
is Dr. A.R.K. Pillai, who is 93, a young person.
Uh-huh.
Though he has been into the social field for over 6 decades, and the
Uh-huh.
journey has been, he is my guru, my mentor, my godfather. When the Shishya is ready, the guru appears. So for me, when I was in grade 11, he appeared. And since
Uh-huh.
then, no look back. I was in his safe hands. He nurtured me, he guided me properly. So the training has
Uh-huh.
been beautiful. Yeah, and I could reach out to people. So that's how the journey has been so far.
Wow. So today we are discussing my social responsibility. When I say my social responsibility, that means it's me who is responsible to deliver my social responsibility. So as an individual, every person is responsible for their society. They have every person has to contribute something good for the humanity, something good for mankind. So, Dr. Narayan, you yourself is a living legend. You have been doing your responsibility on the field always, even during Corona pandemic situation, COVID-19 pandemic situation. You are on the field every day. If I'm not wrong, I think IDF has fed almost 10 lakh individuals in this pandemic situation, and you have done your responsibility by serving food, free meal to almost 10 lakh individuals, and the number is increasing. So, sir, how you got all this inspiration to do social work, and how any individual wants to get into this, how can they do their responsibility?
Social responsibility is one of the finest word. In fact, we look into whether corporate or individual. In
Mm-hmm.
some way or the other, everyone was doing. In fact, maybe it be our, sadachar, or we call it as good deeds that we need to do.
Yes,
Everyone was
yes.
doing, our parents, our grandparents, and these are all being taught to the children at their formative age, and they keep doing this good work, and it
Mm-hmm.
continues. So this gets embedded into the system of every individual, for that matter. Today, if you look
Mm-hmm.
into schools, schools are taking children for a lot of field trips, a lot of
Mm-hmm.
exposure are given them to the civil society. Corporates have come up with their social responsibility called CSR. So every individual should come up with a responsibility called ISR, individual social responsibility, student
Mm-hmm.
social responsibility, my social responsibility. So some may feel that I, as a small, species in this whole entire big planet, what can I do? But every individual have got their own responsibility. If you look into the,
Correct.
this beautiful story of the young boy sitting on the seashore,
Mm-hmm.
catching all these starfish and putting it back into the sea. One
Mm-hmm.
passerby comes and asks him, "No, what are you doing?" He says, "I'm putting the starfish back into the sea." He said, "Do you know the stretch of the entire beach? Can you help all these starfishes?" He said, "I cannot do that. See, at least five I can do, six I can do." So every individual, if collectively they come together, they can put in their own responsibility. I have fed one
True.
person, I have fed 10 people. So this initiative, this responsibility has to be brought into every individual at a young age. Children are the best examples. In fact, they learn a lot, they do a lot, they inspire a lot.
Mm.
I have, in fact, if you one such instance that came during our social work, during my social work, is one girl by name Shiloh.
Okay.
She is from a place called Chidambaram, from Annamalai in Tamil Nadu. So she was
Mm-hmm.
very young, a third standard girl, used to
Mm-hmm.
be, inspired by her parents who used to teach children who used to come to their home. So she used to wonder why my parents are not giving me attention, and then attention to those children who are coming to their home. So the
Mm-hmm.
parents said, we are doing social work, we are helping
Mm-hmm.
poor children. So this got into
Mm-hmm.
the mind of this girl, and
Mm-hmm.
since third standard, and today she is doing her research. She is
Mm-hmm.
doing her research in cancer, and
Okay.
for last so many years, 15 years, she has been supporting 50 students at least in our Bal Gurukul. She has been supporting, a constant supporter. So
Wow.
Shiloh is a star. Shiloh is a star. So the message that goes into the child's mind from a young age, it remains there, because tomorrow these children are going to be the world class leaders, and they can
Mm-hmm.
deliver it much better. So
Mm-hmm.
responsibility, when it is given, okay, desh ke liye responsibility, responsibility towards the nation, responsibility towards the society, which is very very important, and catch them young. We have to give, and as looking into our country, where more than 50%, the biggest, youngest populated country,
Yes, yes.
next 20 years down the line. So we need to give our children the best. and they can do wonders. In fact, we can do the best in the coming days. Children are
Correct.
our shining stars, our best wishes, our congratulations. Indian Development Foundation, if people say that we work through our two hands, but IDF work through the millions and millions of hands of the school
Very
children.
true. Very
Yeah,
true. Very
if
true.
we have been able to cater to the people across, it has been the school children. School children, they came forward and they have been the part of this entire national movement. It has been a silent revolution that has been played through. So the responsibility towards the society has been very good. Though children are coming from a poor background, people should not feel that I will reach at certain such and such age and then do my social work. No, not required. You can do at
Hmm.
any age for that matter. Age doesn't
Okay.
qualify. There is no qualification for social work. So you can
Hmm.
start at any time, anytime.
Correct. I recently heard that few kids came together and initiated a drive of making face masks. So I'd
Correct,
like
correct.
to know more about that. How that started and how that drive has helped underprivileged people.
Correct. As IDF's main strength is school children, college youth, either NSS, NCC, school
Mm-hmm.
scouts guide, and regular students also. They are part of this entire mission. So
Mm-hmm.
children were part of a lot of calamity times. That is, we call the earthquake or flood relief. So during the
Mm-hmm.
recent flood relief that happened at Kolhapur, and also
Mm-hmm.
last year during the Kerala flood relief, a lot of students they came forward and they were supporting. So here
Okay.
were the 10 students who supported us for Kolhapur and Sangli. They came
Mm-hmm.
forward. They personally visited with all the materials. So they
Mm-hmm.
felt that now during the Corona times, we should help IDF. So they came up with
Mm-hmm.
this mission of sustainable development,
Wow.
SDG. After the MDG
SDG.
of SDG, Millennium Development Goals were what people were talking about. Now people are talking about SDG, Sustainable Development Goals, set in by the United Nations. So how do we
Mm-hmm.
sustain? I can give you fish, but if I can help you to teach fishing, which is very important.
Yes.
So these
Yes.
children, beautiful idea, they came forward. They said, mask production is good, mask distribution is good. If people can earn and then it can be sustained. So it's not that one time they earn, they can earn money on a regular interval. So
Correct.
so these 10 students are students from the Dhirubhai Ambani school. So they all through the
Okay.
technology through during lockdown, of course they cannot come out, but they have prepared a beautiful proposal. We could reach out, we could set up a project which is called a Shan. Project Shan. Shan means
Wow.
dignity, dignity for work. So it has also an abbreviation called self-help and Atmanirbhar. If you have the expansion, so we need to have self-reliant for the people. We need to build self-reliance for the people who are working, particularly the women groups like teachers and others who came forward. But of course, men are also involved because a lot of cutting of the cloth and all is required. So mission 10 million is not is our aim now. 10 million masks to be reached out across the country as our
Mhm.
first phase. So this is our project Shan that has taken place.
So,
So
how do you encourage people to do social responsibility? How do you encourage them to perform this duty? What
uh,
motivates people to join IDF and perform this social responsibility?
so it's called as power of kindness, power of generosity. If I do good, I feel good. I see that my friends also should do good. So there is a chain reaction. Chain
Correct.
reaction of goodness. Goodness is unlimited and it's a chain. It doesn't stop at one. You have done good. You will tell to 10 more people that yes, I want. Why don't you be part of this mission, part of this movement? So people come
Mhm.
together and they try to help. So students are very, spontaneous. They come
Uh-huh.
forward and they want to do and they want to spread the message. They want to show the small accolades that they have received as part of the social worker or as a social
Mhm.
champion. So this
Mhm.
message goes house to house. Many people get inspired. Children inspire a lot of elders. Children
Mhm.
inspire their parents. Children inspire a lot of grandparents, and
Mhm.
they are the teachers. And the
Correct.
big movement is going on across this country. Yeah.
Correct. Very nice. So, I heard about IQ, EQ, SQ. So, how all these quotient moments help people to do social responsibility, sir?
Yes, IQs are like intelligent quotient. You have spiritual quotient. You have emotional quotient. So I thought we should derive a new quotient with this pandemic that has come in. And it
Mhm.
should be SRQ, social
SRQ. What is
responsibility,
SRQ?
social responsibility quotient.
Oh my! Now we got intelligent quotient, emotional quotient, spiritual quotient. Now fourth one is derived on this show today is SRQ,
SRQ.
social responsibility quotient.
Pretty quotient.
Wow.
The SRQ during this pandemic time has been so high, so high.
Uh-huh.
Common
Uh-huh.
people, they all, in fact, as a common man, as a common individual, common family person, they always think of themselves and their family. Here
Correct.
is the time that has come, the entire globe, they started thinking of others. As they
Mm-hmm.
were thinking of themselves, they also thought of many other people. Take, for
Mm-hmm.
example, the Mission Meals to Heal program that IDF started, community kitchen, distribution of dry ration and all. These were all done by all volunteers. It can be an auto wala, it can be a tailor, it can be anybody.
Mm-hmm.
The people who were all affected by the lockdown, who could not work, who could not travel,
Mm-hmm.
so they said, देश के लिए हम भी करेंगे. So it's a war. The war that is going on, we don't need money at all. So pro bono, without any cost, they all have come forward. They have given they have done their responsibility. They say, let us do our service physically. So at least the food that you are going to distribute in different places, may it be Dharavi, may it be Malvani, may it be Bhaikala or any part, Mira Road or Kalyan. So this play people have come forward, and without any cost, the responsibility were delivered so beautifully well. Salutations to all the caregivers, as we salute all the doctors, all the municipal authorities, the police department. We should also salute these social volunteers who are also frontliners, who are also
Correct.
caregivers,
Correct.
also came forward. They did so beautifully well. There were auto walas. They said that let me drive my auto free of cost. There were tailors. They said
Wow.
I will stitch mask for you. I don't need money. People have come forward in a big way. Teachers, for that
Super.
matter, teachers from
Super.
coaching classes, teachers from schools, they all were volunteers feeding food.
Mm-hmm.
The drivers were sitting without any job.
Mm-hmm.
They used to leave home at 6 a.m. in the morning. Annamitra used to give us food. 75
Wow.
days, uninterrupted supply of food. Leaving home
Super.
during lockdown time at 6:30 a.m. in the morning,
Wow.
reaching the kitchen, they bringing the food. The teachers waiting at the crossroad, taking the supplies, going knocking at the door, supplying food house to house. SRQ was the best during this time, and I'm sure this will remain for all time to come.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Wow. So this is really amazing. I don't understand, how things are happening and at such a great level. But what I feel, those who got intention to support mankind can easily do any kind of social work. Is it necessary to get engaged with IDF, or anybody can do social work at their own pace, at their own level, at their own location, and IDF can still help them?
Yeah. So there is no boundaries for social work, no qualification for social work. You don't need an MSW, Master of Social Work degree. You don't need a BSW, Bachelor of Social Work. Anybody with an intention, with a heart to do something for the society, can come forward. And now with technology in hand, people are
Mm-hmm.
crisscrossing
Mm-hmm.
towards different countries. They have come forward. There were people from other countries like Spain, people from Italy, people from US also started contributing. They said, though our people here are affected, let us do something. So there was a
Correct.
corporate. I would like to narrate an example of a corporate called Burns and McDonnell. So they had around
Mm-hmm.
750 employees. So each employee gave us a ration kit. So 750 ration kits. The company also gave. So their counterpart at USA, they said we also would like to contribute. So they are also
Wow.
going to support some 700 employees to 700 kids. Whatever small contribution within their means, within their capacity, every drop counts, every support counts, every support matters. So people have come forward, they have done their job. Drops of water makes a mighty ocean. जैसे बोलते हैं ना, बूंद बूंद से सागर बनता है. तो मैं तो कहता हूँ कि सागर सागर से महासागर बनता है. तो हमें महासागर बनाना है, लोगों तक पहुंचना है. कितनी अच्छी काम हम कर सकें लोगों को लेकर के. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस. हर लोग, हर व्यक्ति, वी कैन ऑल कम फॉरवर्ड, irrespective of whatever you know. For example, somebody is a musician, they want to help us in music program. Somebody is a art teacher, somebody is a mathematician, somebody is anything for that matter. They can come and help, and we can give them platform, and in their own area they can do.
Wow. I think there is some disturbance. I'm not able to hear Dr. Narayan clearly.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
think there is some issue. I'm sure he will get that noise issue corrected and join us back. So, friends, IDF, Indian Development Foundation, has been doing extraordinary work in the space of supporting human and helping mankind with whatever is required. Underprivileged people are supported by IDF during this pandemic situation, feeding almost 10 lakh meals in 70 to 80 days as well. Doing various projects. IDF is reaching to even rural areas. They are helping school children, with the study material, with school education, and many more such things are happening. So I think Mr. Dr. Narayan is getting connected, and I'll add him to the stream. Yes, doctor. Sorry,
Yeah,
there
yeah,
was some
yeah,
disturbance.
yeah.
Yeah,
No
thank you.
problem. Yeah, yeah.
So there were so many activities IDF is doing. So if anybody wants to get connected with IDF, how can they join IDF for doing their bit of social responsibility, sir?
Yeah, they can write to us. We have IDF website. We also have our Facebook page, Insta page.
Mm-hmm.
We also
Mm-hmm.
have email ID. They can write to us at info@idf.org.in, and they
Mm-hmm.
can get connected. Students across for their social internship program. A lot of students are joining us for internship programs. They can do that. Individuals from corporates, homemakers have come in a big way. So homemakers are also helping us. So I think people can join hands, and we need to see that how every individual, for that matter,
Mm-hmm.
give their responsibility towards building the society a better place. So we talk
Wow.
about responsibility. When we talk about responsibility, for example, how we can raise our voice, how we can, for
Mm-hmm.
example, looking into the pandemic situation or the COVID-19 time, mask is very important, right? So that is our responsibility.
Correct.
Prime Minister has already told once that mask is very important, social
Yes.
distancing is very important. So the message is delivered once. So it is our responsibility, every citizen's responsibility, that we should wear mask, we should have that distance. Wherever the distance is
Yes.
not possible, mask is mandatory. Where you
Yes.
are not able to keep up a distance of 1 meter, mask is mandatory, and we should all wear mask. And people can certainly get mask from IDF, from our project
Wow.
Shan. Yeah, they can tell us where the mask to be delivered. We can deliver the mask to different places in the country, subject to the transport that are open during this lockdown period time. Yeah.
So now, what social work IDF is doing during pandemic, serving food to underprivileged and all. So how you could arrange everything? The team is there. I see photos and videos coming every day on Indian Development Foundation Facebook page. Videos are recorded by you. You are talking about, media is talking about Indian Development Foundation. So how you could actually start this drive, and how you start getting this material and all during pandemic when everything was locked, everything was locked, and how IDF could successfully deliver the social responsibility.
Yeah, transparency has been the hallmark for our work wherever what we have done. So we could
Mhm.
the moment. So who pushed you into the well is very important. Who pushed you? Who?
Who pushed me? Very
So
nice.
the push is very important. The push is very important. The moment you have the push and the moment you have the drive, I think you can do wonders. So IDF has been in the forefront for any calamity, for that matter, whether it is a flood relief or an earthquake drive or whatever. For we were there and we used to help people. So the moment the lockdown was announced and we got an opportunity that food has to be served, we said no look back. Immediately we started, and observing the lockdown guidelines, where social distancing has to be done, no crowding has to be done,
Yes, yes.
wearing gloves and wearing masks, sanitizing the entire area. We have observed all those things. So for which, as I could be in the field. I could talk to volunteers locally. School principals could also come forward in a very big way, and they
Mm-hmm.
inspired their teachers. Coaching class
Mm-hmm.
teachers have come forward. Professors have come
Wow.
forward. So during this time, we have made lot of lockdown friends. So
Lockdown friends. There are
lockdown friends.
Facebook friend, there are LinkedIn friend, Twitter followers, and now lockdown friends. A new concept is derived today. Today we got two inventions on this show. One is SRQ, Social Responsibility Quotient, and second is lockdown friends.
Lockdown
Wow.
friends.
If I keep talking to you, I think I will derive or invent three, four more quotient now.
Yeah. So
Great.
yes, so there was no look back, and now people are asking. Even the driver who is to bring food every day from the community
Mhm.
kitchen, he asks now
Mhm.
the community kitchen drive is done. Abhi mera kya kaam hai? What should I do now? I'm ready. Give me job. Seva is such a thing that it's beautiful. People want to do, and they say I can do on 2 hours, 3 hours. Let me do. So people are coming in a big way, and we should keep
So
inspiring.
till what time this drive will continue now?
Yeah, that's a good
Giving
question.
free meal, giving grains to underprivileged. Till what period this will continue?
I'm sure everything should stabilize very soon. Lockdown and unlock 1.0, 2.0 all will start. People, when they
Mhm.
get back into their economy
Mhm.
buoyancy, once they get into the streamline, mainstream of life, they'll start earning.
Mhm.
The dependency will go low on
Mhm.
us. So what happens is even a well-to-do family gets,
Mhm.
they are dignified, but they don't want to ask, but they are
Correct.
also affected. They are also affected. So we
Correct.
are trying to reach out to them, either dry now currently dry ration of course is being done. We also reached out
Mhm.
to the migrant laborers in the
Mhm.
railway stations where we could provide them with food,
Okay.
water in a big way. And we also
Uh-huh.
have now few more dry rations to be given to the special trains which are going to be released till this month end. So that's in place.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's in place.
Wow, that's really awesome. I mean, I always get encouragement whenever open up IDF page, Facebook page. Every day morning, I make sure that at least for 5 minutes, I visit Indian Development Foundation page and get some inspiration, some energy, a positive thought. Because during pandemic, everywhere on the news and all negative information used to get spread, but I stopped watching those news channels, and I made a point that I will watch IDF page, I will watch few other page where I can get positive energy, and
Yes.
it will help me to help socially connected organization. So Indian Development Foundation, I'm happy to associate with you. There's another NGO, Jeevan Rang. There is one more NGO of my friend Agni Punk. So each and every NGO, non-profit organization is doing extraordinary work during this pandemic. Everybody is human today.
Yes.
Everybody has understood we do not need fancy life to survive. It is
Yes.
fancy. You really don't need. And today, as you said, people came on their own and gave their some bit from their pocket, maybe in terms of money or in terms of time of their life to do social work. So everybody has realized today that whatever they have, from that, if something can be given back to society, the joy of giving is bigger than any other achievement. Okay. I don't think IDF, as a CEO of IDF, you're talking about your remuneration, how much money I have in my bank account and all. I don't think you will get any pleasure looking at your bank balance. Rather, I will feel how many social work projects have you executed, how many more volunteers have joined for anything, any social work, how many new projects you are able to execute. People like you get happiness and peace of mind when you serve others. So you are a living legend, Dr. Naran, as I always say. You are an inspiration to each and every human who is living for self as well as for others. So
Okay.
when the mind is prepared to give, when the mind is prepared to serve the society, that time the actual social work starts. This is what I understood today while interacting with you.
Thank you.
Correct
Yeah.
me if I'm wrong.
You are perfectly right. Perfectly right. I would like to give one instance if time permits.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. So there was this Ashwat Bhai
Uh-huh.
in Malwani. So
Malwani,
when lot
Mumbai
of
area.
Malwani, Mumbai area. So when lot of materials come, so where do we
Uh-huh.
store? Warehouse is a big question. So we have to have a
Correct.
place to store. So here he came forward and he said that I have a big, garment industry, and
Uh-huh.
I can give you my place. My workers are all idle because of lockdown.
Uh-huh.
They will come forward and help you. So throughout all the dry ration kits, the entire container, when it comes, the truckload of material, they will come
Uh-huh.
forward, they will unload. It's a massive task and no
Wow.
cost involved. It is stored in his warehouse, and the people come, they pack it with smile, and it was one of the best thing that they have all done. So I would like to express my gratitude to him, and of course all the caregivers who have been part of this. I don't want to take specific name, but everyone is involved. uh, at an early time, maybe it may be 20 years or 25 years back, I remember one gentleman by name Mr. Kamble.
Uh-huh.
So Mr. Kamble used to visit our office for pest control.
Uh-huh.
And when after the pest control, he used to listen story from our Dr. A.R.K. Pillai sir. What you
If
so
he talks to Dr. A.R.K. Pillai, he will forget everything else and start doing social work for sure. He has
uh,
inspired me too on
uh,
doing social work.
so Kamleji heard about the leprosy work and all. So he said that
Hmm.
henceforth no payment for pest control. I will do free of cost. And
Wow.
what he did was he went home. His company used to give him tea allowance. So he used to get some
Hmm.
2 rupee or 3 rupee tea allowance. He never used
Hmm.
to take tea and put that money
Hmm.
into the piggy bank. And
Okay.
during Diwali time, with along with whatever extra contribution or reward that he used to get, that contribution and the T11 that he has put into the piggy bank, he will come and donate it. This is from my
Wow.
side. This is my responsibility. I don't know whether Kamble sir will be hearing this. I am talking about a story of 25 years back, but still, he has been an example. Every individual, for that matter, does something or the other. So we need to remember every act that you do. Every act is important. Every act, for that matter, it matters a lot.
Wow.
Appreciate it.
Small contribution makes a huge difference in others' life. It may be small for us as an individual, but it may be a big for the other person who is receiving that small help. So, for that matter, a very small, even a 1 rupee at that junction is important. It is just 1 rupee, 1 penny for you, but it is important, help from others. So people who are hesitant, what can we do? Can we contribute big time in terms of time or in terms of money? I feel after talking to you, Dr. Narayan, any kind of contribution, it may be a small or big, it may be a in terms of monetary, or it may be in terms of time,
Knowledge.
or it can be a knowledge, it can be a contact. Any kind of help will help society. And today what we all are experiencing is there's a new religion, and the religion is humanity. When we are helping others without asking his or her caste, religion, that means we all are human and we all are preserving and maintaining humanity. So salute to your work, sir. What you have done to the society is really, really great thing. I wish IDF continue doing this humanity service, and let many more years IDF be blessed to do this kind of job, and you may keep inspiring millions, billions of people
Mhm. I think there's a network issue with Milinji. Thank you so much, Milinji, for inviting and for this live show. I think many people will start contacting IDF, and we will try to spread the message of goodness. Goodness Unlimited is our mantra for success, and we are here to serve the society at large. So anyone who is in need of connecting people or any social work to be done, please get in touch with IDF. Milinji,
Thank
I
you
think you're back.
so much. Yeah, thank you so much, Dr. Narayan, for coming on the show. Sorry, there was a glitch of internet connectivity issue, and IDF is doing extraordinary work, guys. Please get in touch with IDF, and for that you can simply visit IDF website. I'm showing that website on the screen now. Please get connected with IDF on www.idf.org.in. IDF is having multiple projects, maybe supporting girls with sanitary pads, or educating underprivileged children in Bal Gurukuls, or Project Shan, or providing free mask facility to underprivileged people. IDF also supported medical practices, Corona warriors with PPE kits. So many things IDF is doing, and extraordinary work IDF is doing. Please get in touch with idf.org.in and try to support various initiatives done by IDF. Thank you, Dr. Narayan, for coming on the show, and it was a pleasure interacting with you. May God bless you and you continue your social journey. Thank you
Thank you.
so much. Thank you so much, sir. All the
Most welcome.
viewers, this show was live on Facebook. Feel free to connect with us in future. And every day we will have some other show. Keep watching Mind Parachute Show. Thank you so much.
All the best.